We've been tasting bottled waters here, and I thought today would be a good day to taste some good old tap water. Water from the tap, I call it draft water. So here we are. I've got a glass of tap water. As you can see, it's in a glass. That's a real glass, a glass. We've got a lot of plastic glasses, tumblers, that kind of thing. But I recommend when you drink your water, to get the full benefit from the drinking experience, use glass. A water glass. A glass of water. So we've got our glass of tap water here, right straight out of the tap too. We didn't filter it or anything. I'd say it's at or a little below room temperature, about 60 degrees. And the first thing we can do is just look at it. Take a good close look at it. It's clear, no head, maybe a little bit cloudy, but don't worry about that. If it's a little cloudy, that's just air bubbles. They'll dissolve. Give it time. That will pass, as most gas does. We don't have any sign of carbonation, and when I swirl the water, it's clean. We don't get any residue on the glass, so that's good too. If your water is leaving chunks of stuff on the glass when you swirl it, well, that's not a good sign. What we want to do now, I guess, is go ahead and smell it. And it's pretty neutral there, maybe a trace of hydrogen sulfide, I don't know, I'm not sure about that. And maybe there's a faint presence of floral notes, something citrusy, tropical, spicy, nutty, it's hard to tell, and I could be making all of that up just to impress you with my tap water. Also, with tap water, you don't know exactly where it comes from, and I'll tell you that's true for most bottled water, no matter what they say. We should probably just go ahead and drink it, so here goes. Well, that's definitely water. Let's get that out of the way right away. It's water. Very nice, actually. Yes, I'm getting a little of the trace minerals, the calcium carbonate, magnesium, iron, and there's that little bite you get from the electrolytes, the sodium and potassium. But I don't think, no, I'm not getting any lead. You don't want that lead. Lead just kills, in my humble opinion, a good glass of water. It's very smooth. Not what I'd call dry. Nope, it's definitely wet. You want that. At the end, you get the fluoride and the chloride, but not overly, not too much. It's not offensive, and I'm not getting any bleach, and that's good. You don't want that. So it's got a nice finish. Slight metallic taste, maybe, and I'd attribute that to our pipes, which are copper. Although I don't want to be advertising that, do I? Or the bastards will come and steal them, right? Maybe I'm old-fashioned, but I'm a big fan of copper pipes for the tap water. The PVC, the CPVZ, the PP, the PBT, and the PEX, all of them, the entire lot, your plastics, it's the same as with the drinking glass. I don't go in for the plastics. They're all completely tasteless, as far as I'm concerned, and taste is what it's all about, isn't it? So that's got it then. There's no bacteria, thank God, and if there is any arsenic in it, I can't tell, so it would be insignificant if it's there at all. I've got to say, I like it. It's certainly drinkable, refreshing, really what you're after from a glass of water. It wets my whistle, so I'm going to give it a solid 4 whistles out of 5. Why not? It's not the best water I've ever had, but it's water, absolutely, it's good water. Try yours, and let me know what you think. This is Bean's Page, advising you to drink water. By all means, drink up while you still can and while it's still available.